Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front fender liner on a 2017 Honda Civic. You can get replacement fender liners, OEM, off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get those, as well as any clips you might break while taking it out, and any specialty tools that I use in this video. And before you start, you're going to want to jack up your vehicle to where the wheel just starts coming off the ground. That way you maximize your gap between your wheel and your fender, and it gives you a lot more room to get your hands in there and work.
Start out by removing these two screws on the end of the bumper.
And also the one that's just past this side marker light. And next, come around to the side of the bumper, and we need to remove this 10mm bolt and these two clips, and then there's also another 10mm bolt back behind here that you can't see yet. And when you're removing these clips on the bottom here, as these clips get older, they get a little bit harder to take off. So you're gonna wanna pry from both sides and just kind of work it out gradually. If you try to just pry on one side and pop it out, a lot of times they will break. But just the standard Honda clip, you just pry out on the center. And then you just pull out on the clip and it should come right out. And same with this clip here. And then there's also a 10mm bolt. So don't worry about these bolts here, but you want to take this one out right here. Next, come around to the back side of the wheel between the tire and the rocker molding, and there is a series of clips and screws that go in back behind the wheel here. And to make this easier, you can turn the wheel so you have more room to work, or if you really want to, you can jack your car up even higher and take the wheel off. I'm not going to do either of those. I'm going to show you how you can get back there without taking the wheel off. If you use a Phillips bit on a ratchet, then you're able to get these screws out without turning the wheel or taking it off. And then for the clips, I'm just going to use a clip tool. And back and behind there, you can see there's a let me see if I can get this focused here. There's a screw right there, and then another clip in the back. Next, we're going to take out this Phillips screw and these two clips on the back side of the fender here. Now these two clips they're a different style of clip. They have, instead of the two-piece with the movable middle part, they have two tabs on the inside of these clips, and you don't know if they're on the front and back or the top and bottom. From the factory, they're put in at random. And for them to come out, we have to push on the tabs and pop them loose. So how I always start out is I take a small flathead screwdriver and I will peel back this fender liner, and then I'll take the screwdriver and go between the fender and the fender liner, and I'll push on the clip. You can feel it stop, or if the tab is there, it'll push the tab. And this one, it feels like it's not pushing anything, so that means the tab is on the top and bottom. So now I'll come from the bottom with my flathead, and see how the clip's moving? I just pushed the bottom tab in and it released. So I'm gonna hold out the fender liner on the bottom to keep that bottom tab from clipping back in. And then I'm gonna come in from the top and push the other tab. And you just heard it click. And so this one's out. You can see the tab right there on opposite sides. And so we'll do this next one. Again, I'm gonna come in from the front with my screwdriver. And this one feels like it's on the top and bottom also. So there, the bottom one just gave out. Now I'm coming around to the top. And there you go. And if the tab is on the front and back, you're gonna wanna push the front with the screwdriver, it'll give out. And then to get around to the back side, you're gonna wanna sneak a pick tool in around the clip and then pull. And when you pull, that will push on the tab on the back side and it will come out then. And next, there is a Phillips screw on the bottom side of the rocker that needs to come out. And now we're going to focus on the clips that are inside the wheel well here. They're the same type of clip as the ones that we did on the back side of the wheel. They're a two-piece type of clip. And as you can see here, there's one there, there, and right there in the back side of the wheel well here. And now we have the back of the fender liner loose. And there's two more clips in the very top of the wheel well here. And some of these are pretty hard to get to. And you'll probably end up breaking a few clips. And then there's also two more here in the front. And then back behind the front of the wheel is another clip, but this one is like the one that was on the couple clips that were on the bottom of the bumper. And there's another one back here behind the wheel by the strut. And then from this point, just pull down on the fender liner and work it out from behind the fender and the bumper. And that's it, guys. The fender liner's out. Thanks for watching.